Sarokar, please come. No.
Yes, sir.
Sheza, who is the topper of our class and our college last year. Now, in this year, he is failed. What's the reason behind that? What's that? How you are teaching to the class? You don't know about that?
Yes, sir, I agree with you. Sir, he's not studying in class properly. He's always lazy in class and he's not serious with his study. Even he is always bunking class and even he is absent from class 2 to 3 days in a week. So how he will get first position in exam?
Right? Just call to your parent.
Yes, sir.
Call
He's
him.
waiting outside. I just call.
Just send them to him. Hello. Sheza again. Yes, Mr. Hamza. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Alhamdulillah. You just see the result of Shezad. What did he do? Last year he is get the first position and this year he is failed. What is that? I think it's not a fair.
I don't know about that. What the result?
He is failed and he get the last position of his class. What's that? You can see. Like that we just instigate him from the college.
What is this, Siddharth? What are you doing? I am sorry. Next time I will be work hard and inshallah I will get the first position. Please give me one chance. Yes, I think
Yes.
I need to because
Right, we know about that. But first, I think it's your responsibility that you look your children first, not your looking your business. You are doing business just for your like your child, not you are businessing like for any other things. You just keep on your eyes on your children. I think it's not fair. Otherwise, if he didn't get the first position, so we will restrict him.
yes,
You know, this college is only for the toppers, not for the losers. You know about that very well, Mr. Hamza.
yes.
Okay, it's last chance. Shezad, okay, Shezad? It's your last chance.
I agree with you. I think
Okay,
he is doing good. His coming exam.
good.
I focus on his studies.
Yes, it's your responsibility, Mr. Hamza. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bas.